Teacher Alex, what's your name?
My name is Bear.
Okay, nice to meet you. Are you okay?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so we will listen and say some words. Okay? Okay, come with me. Come with me.
Old cardboard. Today, I walk into the recycle forest.
I walk in a forest.
I walk
In a forest.
in the forest.
One more time. I walk in a forest.
I walk in
A forest.
the forest.
I see a little fox wearing a red hat.
I see a baby fox.
I see a baby fox.
Yes. A red hat. Red hat.
A red hair.
Nice.
Her name is Fiona Fox.
I see a fox.
I see a fox.
Her name is Fiona. Her name
Her name
is Fiona.
will fill
Yes, very nice. Let's sit down. Sit down, sit down, sit on the chair. Pictures. Let's count the pictures. Are you ready? One. One. One.
What's a color?
No. Two. Come on, do you know how to count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. 1,
Fox.
2. Okay. Where is the box? Yes. Is it here?
Here.
Where are watercolors?
Here.
Here. Where is a lion head? Yes. A lion dance. Lion dance. Dance, dance, dance. Here. Lion dance. Okay. Where are scissors? Here. Yes. Cut. You say scissors.
Scissor.
Where is glue? Yes. What's this?
This is a fox.
Very nice. What's that?
This is a watercolor.
Watercolors. What's this?
This is
A lion.
lion.
Lion head. Okay, what's this?
This is a scissor.
Scissors. And what's that?
This is a blue.
Blue. Very nice. There are some colors. What color is this?
This is a orange.
Orange. Is this?
Red.
Red. Amazing. Very nice. Very nice. Clever boy. Let's go to the whiteboard. Stand up. Let's go. Okay. Can you read? Let's go. Red.
Red.
Okay. What is red?
This
Yes. Okay. Yes. Take it. Take it. Hold it here, please. Very nice. Okay. Wait. Where is orange?
This
Yes, take it. Yes. Orange over here. Wait, over here. Wait. There we go. Let me put the colors back. Wait. Now, watercolors. Where are watercolors? Yes. That's right. Okay. Glue. Where is glue? Yes. Okay. Hi. Yes. High in the sky. Okay. And lion head. Where is the lion head? Yes. And lion head. Where is a box? Box. Yes. Okay, do we have one? Okay. Oh, here we go. Okay. Now, let's say blue.
Blue.
Lion head.
Red. Green. Orange. Watercolor.
Watercolor is amazing. Let's sit down. Come with me. Come with me. Okay. So now let's see. So some more colors. I'm going to ask you what colors do you know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What color is this?
Black.
Black.
Green.
Gray.
Gray. Brown.
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 And
Purple.
purple. Very nice. What are these?
Seesaw.
Very nice. And this is paper.
Paper.
And this is what's this? Lion dance.
Red.
Very nice. Good job. Give me a high five. Well done. See you later. Good job.